Welcome to Automotive Reviews TV, your trusted source for detailed insights into the world of heavy machinery, vehicles, and automotive technology. Today, we're diving into an in-depth look at the Caterpillar 375 excavator, a powerful machine that has cemented its place in the construction and mining industries as a reliable and efficient workhorse. The Caterpillar 375 is renowned for its robust design and exceptional performance capabilities. Built with durability and precision in mind, this excavator is tailored to handle the toughest jobs. Equipped with a powerful engine, the 375 delivers exceptional horsepower and torque, ensuring it can manage heavy loads and demanding operations with ease. Its advanced hydraulic system allows for smooth and precise movements, making it an excellent choice for projects that require meticulous attention to detail. One of the standout features of the Caterpillar 375 is its versatility. This excavator is designed to tackle a wide range of tasks, from digging and trenching to lifting and material handling. Its large bucket capacity ensures efficient material movement, while the extended reach arm provides flexibility for deep excavation work. The 375 is also compatible with various attachments, allowing operators to customize the machine for specific job requirements. Comfort and safety are key priorities in the design of the Caterpillar 375. The operator's cab is spacious and ergonomically designed, offering a comfortable working environment even during long shifts. Advanced control systems and intuitive interfaces ensure ease of operation, reducing operator fatigue and enhancing productivity. Additionally, the cab is equipped with excellent visibility features and state-of-the-art safety systems, ensuring maximum security on the job site. Durability is a hallmark of Caterpillar machinery, and the 375 excavator is no exception. Built with high-quality materials and reinforced components, this machine is designed to withstand harsh conditions and heavy usage over time. Regular maintenance is simplified thanks to its accessible service points, which reduce downtime and keep the excavator operating at peak performance. Fuel efficiency is another notable aspect of the Caterpillar 375. The machine is engineered to deliver impressive power while minimizing fuel consumption, making it a cost-effective option for contractors and operators. This efficiency not only lowers operating costs but also reduces the environmental impact, aligning with modern sustainability goals. In terms of technology, the Caterpillar 375 is equipped with advanced monitoring systems that provide real-time data on machine performance. This allows operators to track productivity, identify potential issues, and optimize performance. These features contribute to better project management and overall efficiency, ensuring the machine meets the demands of contemporary construction and mining projects. The Caterpillar 375 is a testament to Caterpillar's commitment to quality and innovation. Its combination of power, precision, and reliability makes it a standout choice for professionals in the construction and mining industries. Whether you're digging trenches, moving large amounts of material, or managing complex projects, the 375 is a dependable partner that gets the job done efficiently. If you're passionate about heavy machinery and want to stay updated on the latest reviews, specs, and features of vehicles and equipment, make sure to subscribe to Automotive Reviews TV. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you in-depth reviews, expert insights, and the latest trends in the automotive and machinery world. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.